So in my last video, the coloring was pretty bad. The lighting was rather rough. So I want to apologize for that. And while I still had some daylight outside, I had to get home and I had to open up this package that I got and get it out there for you, for everyone to see. It is the Ridge wallet. I got it in the aluminum and navy, and I'm so excited about this. I don't know if guys out there are kind of the same way as me, but you've pretty much gone through wallets. I mean, it's the one thing. I mean, here's one that I got for Christmas with the Philadelphia Eagles logo embossed on it. This is the current leather one that I have. Here's one that I have that's, I just can't get rid of this. I won't use it anymore, but this is the sticker that I got when my daughter was born. It's the pass that I ended up getting to get me in and out of the hospital. And then I kind of had this, like, for a little while, I kind of had this aluminum, business card holder. But you get the point. It's the one thing about men's wallets is we go through a lot of them over the course of our lifetime. When we start acquiring cash and credit cards and driver's licenses, we start accumulating these things. And I know for me personally, every year and a half, I seem to be getting a new wallet, or I need a new wallet because the one that I got stretched out. So that's where a product like the Ridge wallet comes in, and I want to unbox it. Let's check it out. So now, like I said before, you, as a guy, get all these wallets over the course of time, and they're gonna stretch out. You're gonna potentially lose a card, lose some cash. You don't want to lose a credit card. You don't want to lose your driver's license. It's a pretty easy way to get identity theft. A little bit of a vitamins to heroin kind of thing there. Something my wife likes to say. It's pretty much means you're going to jump to the worst possible case scenario. But that's not what we want to do here. We want to unbox the Ridge wallets. The Ridge. All right. Let's check this out. Let's see what we got in the box. All right. So on the back here, see if I can get that to focus. Carry less, live more. Sorry if it didn't focus in there. The features: expands to hold 1 to 12 cards, RFID blocking, something that you should definitely have in all your wallets, guys. A modular design, and backed by our lifetime warranty. So this is definitely something. Guys, that's, and even ladies, get your guy, get your man, get your gentleman, your husband, your wife, your boyfriend, whatever it may be, get them something like this. Lifetime guarantee. All right, so let's check this out. It's nice and smooth. You got some literature in there. Welcome to the Ridge. It's kind of your get started guide. Pretty cool sticker. If you have a water bottle, you want to put it on a laptop or something, wouldn't necessarily recommend putting it on the wallet. It kind of defeats the purpose of the design. Ooh, cold, hard aluminum. Man, this is nice. Now I'll put some shots on, some B-roll shots, so you'll be able to really get a close-up view, get a nice view of this. But inside of here, we have some additional screws. It says open in case of emergency, break glass in case of emergency, open these in case of emergency. Because as you can see, there are screws along the sides. And obviously with the screws, you're going to need a screwdriver, and they actually come through with one here. So, like I said, just wanted to do a quick unboxing. I wanted to get home from work, check this out, and I wanted to show it to everybody and, you know, kind of see what this came with. I'm really excited to get to try this out. And, man, this is definitely something, guys, you should get your hands on. I'll put a link in the description below where I got this. I believe, if I'm not mistaken, they have other options as well. They have titanium, they have carbon fiber. I here got the aluminum navy blue, but they have plenty of different options as far as colors are concerned. So this is definitely something that you should at least check out. They're not cheap by any means, but a lifetime guarantee. And if you think about the number of wallets that you go through in a lifetime, I mean, like I said before, here I got, you know, 4 of them that's I've used in the last 5 years, and I'm missing one that I threw away. So that's one a year, basically. This you can get some time out of. I'll see you on the next one. Thanks a lot.